A very important point just before deactivating your Instagram account is to know what will happen to your account if you deactivate it, right? Now see, if you deactivate your account will be hidden from Instagram and nobody will be able to see you, and Instagram only recommend your profile to people. But later, if you want to reactivate your account, then you can do that too, just by entering your user ID and passwords. And if you agree with these terms and conditions, you can go with this. You can deactivate your account. But the question is how to reach to this page. So let's see. First, open your Instagram account. Now at the bottom right corner, click on your profile picture. And now at the top right corner, click on this trillion icon. Now at the very top, set your account center. Just click there. And now scroll down a little bit. And now here is the personal details option, just click there. And now look at the third option, account ownership and control. So you should click here. And now you will see this option, deactivation or deletion. Click there. Now remember one thing, if you have logged in your Facebook account on your device, then your Facebook account will also be displayed here. Just before selecting your account, remember one thing, you should select the account which says the small Instagram logo over there, right? Now select your Instagram ID and finally you will reach to this page. And after selecting deactivate account, if you click on continue, you will be redirected to this page. And first you have to enter your Instagram passwords, and after entering your password, as soon as you click on continue, your account will be deactivated. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want to watch more of this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe to the channel.